Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tom Caldwell from TomCaldwellOnline.com, where you learn how to earn money online without wasting time and money. If you find value in this video, please give me a thumbs up like. I would appreciate it if you would drop a comment down below and subscribe to the channel as well. So let's get right into our content today. Our lesson today is best free traffic method for bloggers, YouTubers, and affiliates. In this article, you will learn the best traffic method for bloggers, YouTubers, and affiliate marketers to promote their content. Stay with me to the end, and you will receive a bonus traffic source. This traffic method has nothing to do with Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Traffic is the lifeblood of a successful blog, YouTube channel, or affiliate marketing offer. Content distribution is the heart and soul of free content generation. So let's set the groundwork. Use content distribution in addition to search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, also known as SEO, is tricky and is a slow process, but is a necessary component of content creation. And I'll have a link down below if you need more information about how to use SEO in your business. Content distribution aids and speeds up the process of getting eyes on your content. I mean, what good is a blog, YouTube channel, or affiliate offer if no one sees your content, right? So the next thing we need to cover is what is traffic. And for the purpose of our lesson today, we will define traffic as visitors to your website/blog, your YouTube channel, or your affiliate offer. Next up, we need to look at the 80-20 rule. The 80-20 rule, as it applies to content creation, states that 80% of your content should be informational and 20% of your content should be promotional. Now, the 80-20 rule also applies to content distribution in this manner. 80% of your time should be spent on content distribution and 20% of your time spent on content creation. Now we're going to get into the meat of the video, where we talk about the traffic bomber method. The traffic bomber method is a content distribution method in which you copy and paste your blog post into websites that are already getting millions of views per month. And here's my little editor's note here in the fine print. I was introduced to the traffic bomber method by a YouTuber named Hussein at heducation.com. I encourage you to visit Hussein's YouTube channel, and he provides a ton of valuable content which will be helpful to you. Okay, the tools that you're going to need. If you're a YouTuber or an affiliate, you need a blog, and you could create a free blog at siterubrics.com, and I will leave a link for that in the description down below. Okay, now bloggers and affiliates need to create a YouTube channel and start recording videos that cover the same information that you're putting in your blog post, and embed that YouTube video into your blog post. Why do you do this? Because video builds know, like, and trust faster than written content alone. This is how the bomber method works. Create your content and syndicate it to these high traffic sources. In this way, you will be siphoning off their traffic. So you'll be siphoning off their traffic and directing it to your blog, YouTube channel, or affiliate offer. Caution now, this is important. Do not spam these websites with your affiliate links. This will get your accounts banned, and of course, then you will not be able to use this method. And a further note, after a few days of practice with this method, you should be able to distribute your content in a timely manner. Here is a list of the high traffic websites that we'll be using in the traffic bomber method. You will need to create an account for each of these websites if you do not already have accounts with them. Our first high traffic website is LinkedIn. And of course, LinkedIn is primarily for businesses. So when you're on your LinkedIn profile page, click on Write an Article. It's important that you write an article, not a post. Then write a unique article based on your blog post. With LinkedIn, LinkedIn is an exception to the rule here with the traffic bomber method, where you don't want to copy and paste all exactly into your LinkedIn. You want to create a unique post, which will take a little bit more time, but in the long run, you will be getting a ton of traffic from LinkedIn. Okay, now, if LinkedIn does not fit your niche, you can use Listly, list.ly, as an alternative. When using Listly, simply create a list by copying and pasting the H2 headings of your blog post into your Listly list building process. Traffic source number 2, medium.com. Create a Medium story by copy and pasting your blog post. Tweak it a bit so that as to avoid receiving a Google strike against you for duplicate content. Traffic source number 3, mix.com. With mix.com, all you need to do is just copy and paste your blog post link or your YouTube link into the description. Into the Mix account. Number 4 is Pinterest.com. And Pinterest.com is not really a social media platform. It is a search engine, just like Google and YouTube. So what you want to do with Pinterest is create what they call Pinterest pins, and you want to base those on your blog post by using your H2 headings as well. You can use Canva.com for free to make your Pinterest pins, because Canva offers Pinterest pin templates, which makes making a Pinterest pin very easy. Traffic source number 5 is called slideshare.com. And in SlideShare, what you do is upload a mini version of your blog post as a slideshow with lots of copyright-free images. Traffic source number 6, here's your bonus. It comes from heducate.com/forums. And on this website, Hussein has set up several forums with different niche topics. So what you want to do is choose the forum that is appropriate for your blog, YouTube channel, or affiliate marketing offer. Then what you want to do is contribute helpful information, how-to techniques to do a thing. You want to share tips on doing something faster, cheaper, and with less effort. And also you want to answer questions in your chosen forum. And do not spam the forums with links. Now we come to the conclusion. There you have it. The best 6 free traffic sources for content distribution using the traffic bomber method. Now it's all up to you. You've got to take action, because action takers are money makers. Oh, and finally, if you are open to earning extra income in addition to what you are now doing, click the link that's included in the description below to get the same step-by-step plan that beginners and experienced marketers are using to generate multiple streams of income. That's it for today. I appreciate you watching the video, and if you found value, give me a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you tomorrow on the next video. Thanks a lot, and goodbye.